Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna show you how to make the Grenadine Fizz. Just like a classic Collins, you know? You get that super Collins refreshment, the vodka's there, the lemon's there, with this slight undertone of that sweet, sweet pomegranate. Really nice drink, very simple to make, but we're also gonna show you a really simple way to make a very simple and easy, effective grenadine syrup. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying all these recipes, stick a like and a subscribe. We want you to do both. Don't do one without doing the other, okay? The Grenadine Fizz is a very, very simple drink. It's very similar to how we do a Collins, except with a fizz, we're not gonna do any shaking. We're actually just gonna build this and stir it up. But the main ingredient is grenadine. I would always recommend that you go and make your own grenadine. And I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make a grenadine syrup. So to make the grenadine, I need you guys to go back, go search through our videos, find the simple syrup video, because that first ingredient we're gonna need is simple syrup, and we're gonna need some pomegranates. We're gonna heat it up. So we're gonna put this onto the stove, boil that up, and make sure we get everything out of those pomegranate seeds. Before we get into that, I need some protection, because this stuff stains. Let me just slip into something more comfortable. Now, this zip doesn't work. Who the hell invented zips? Did you buy only one suit? No, the fabric's ripping. Oh. Oh, that's tight. It's so hot. Protective gear, ready to go. Okay, I'm so hot in this, I can hardly see. Let me take these off. Woo! I need the glasses. I need the signature. Now we're good to go. Boop. So, really simple way to de-seed a pomegranate. You wanna take your knife and you wanna cut just the top off, just like that. You're gonna get a few seeds right there, which you can squeeze and put into your bowl, which we're gonna use next. And then as you can see, just like an orange, it has segments. So what you wanna do is slice right down these segments, like so. Then, it should start to break away. Then you can see all the seeds starting to come. You can take a spoon and just start batting. The grenadines, it's already coming. So you can just bash them out. Very simple, very quick. You know, you wanna make sure you get all these little white bits out. They only ask me to do this because they know how much mess I make. So, we've got some lovely pomegranate seeds all ready to go. All we need to do is walk over to our little stove, get that heated up, add your sugar syrup straight into your pan. We've got roughly about half a liter there, 500 ml, and then all we're gonna do is just pop those pomegranate seeds directly in. So what we wanna do now is we want to bring this up to the boil, and that's going to really infuse all the flavors of the pomegranate. But that heat is also going to pop all those little pomegranate seeds and make sure we get everything out of there. So we really want to get that up to a good boil and then just turn it down so it's a nice little simmer going on. That could have been real dangerous. You'll see how it goes from like a light pinkish rosé hue, and then as you start to boil and as all these seeds start to pop away, it's gonna start to get more of that dark, rich pomegranate color that you know so well. If you have the time, once you've done the boiling, leave it in a fridge overnight, let all the flavors of the pomegranate seeds and juice infuse into your syrup, and then fine strain the next day. You're just gonna get more depth in flavor of pomegranate if you leave it for 24 hours. Well, you can also, camera 2, come here please, come here. If you know anything about cooking, when making a stock or anything, sometimes you get these little bits of like foam. That's not good stuff. So just skim off any of the scum that doesn't look nice, and that's just gonna ensure that you're gonna have a nice, clean syrup. This pretty much looks done, guys. Happy days. Then we can just strain that off. So we've made our grenadine. As you can see, looks fantastic. I'm just gonna pour this into another bottle now. Do you see how I'm not spilling anything here? Oh, just as he says it. So there we have it, guys. You know, this is gonna last in the fridge for easily like a week. If you buy store-bought syrups, they will last a lot longer, but they also contain emulsifiers and impurities, and you don't really want that in your body. This is just good old sugar, water, and juice. So let's get into making this drink. So what we're gonna do, as you know, we're gonna start with our cheapest ingredient first, which is actually some lemons for the lemon juice. And we're gonna wanna put 30 mils of lemon per drink, 30 going in. So next up, we're gonna put the grenadine in. This bottle's still real hot. So I'm going to hold it gently. And we want 25 mil per drink. Wowzers, that's hot. Hot as hell. Next up, the star of the show, Absolut Vodka. We want 45 per drink going in. And then next up, all we're gonna do is just ice up this drink. This is a drink I've never tried before, never ever. It kind of reminds me of an alcoholic Shirley Temple. And if you wanna know what a Shirley Temple is, it's grenadine and lemonade. That's not right. Boom. Next up, we're gonna top this up with just a little bit of soda water. Now at this point, you may wanna add a little bit more ice if the ice has moved around a bit, because then we're gonna have a very good base to throw in our garnish. We're gonna go with a little bit of mint, just to give it a nice little color. Pop that in right there. And let's give a little bit of lemon. We've got some color going on. You can do lemon wedge. You can do a lemon zest. You should know by now I always love the zest. Why did I change lemon? That was weird. And then you can always zest with the lemon, slot that in like so. That looks okay. That's okay, kind of nice. And there we have it, guys. Super simple, and you get a brand new ingredient out of it, grenadine syrup. Let's get into this and have a little taste. Super refreshing. A little bit of a showstopper at your next dinner party. You can always brag about you make your own grenadine as well. Everyone likes a good bragger. But that's it, the Grenadine Fizz. Very easy, very simple. That's everything for me today. This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico. That's the Grenadine Fizz. I'm out of here. Bye.